with misinformation about the vaccine. It is everywhere on social media. Does it work? Can it hurt you? It's enough to make some people scared to get that shot. News Channel 6's Mary Calkins, though, spoke with an expert to debunk some of the most common myths. She's joining us live tonight at Aiken Tech, where a vaccine clinic is set for tomorrow. Mary, it is tough to know what to believe sometimes.
That's right, Brad. And so I spoke with AU's Chief Medical Officer, Dr. PHILLIP COULE, about some of these theories we're seeing online. He says the vaccine is safe and that it's important for those who are eligible to go ahead and get their shot. One of the most widely spread myths is that the COVID-19 vaccine can only protect you from one strain of the virus, like the flu shot we get every year, so it isn't necessary. But Dr. COULE says this is not the case.
We do know that the current vaccines do protect against those new emerging strains.
He says the vaccine is highly effective.
Let's say we only get 75% coverage against the new strain that emerges. 75% coverage is still far better than zero, which is what you have absent vaccination.
Another misinformed idea that it's likely to have a severe reaction to the shot. Dr. COULE says when it comes to the vaccine, the numbers tell the real story.
We vaccinated somewhere around 26 million people or so. I think the number's even higher than that now. And if we assume that those one or two cases that I certainly see circulating on Facebook right now are even related, that means you're about 13 times more likely to get struck by lightning than you are to have a major complication from a COVID vaccine.
But he says even if you've received the vaccine, the community should still practice mask wearing and virus safety protocols.
With the new strains out there, we do not need the new strains circulating in our area. So we really need to get the sustained transmission in the cases that we currently have in our community under control to prevent these strains from emerging in our area.
Now, Dr. COULE says the COVID vaccine is highly effective against known strains of the virus. He also says that in a statistically unlikely event that someone would contract the virus after receiving the vaccine, that case would be much more mild. He also says he's careful when drawing analogies between influenza and COVID-19 because these two viruses are drastically different. Now, Augusta University Health will be hosting a vaccine clinic here at Aiken Technical College tomorrow. Augusta University automatically updates their vaccine appointments on their website, and you can find a link to that in my article on WJBF.com. Reporting live in Aiken, Mary Calkins, WJBF News Channel 6.